At Perfect Cloud, we believe a good night's sleep is the best start to a great day. That's why we've designed mattresses and bedding that provide unparalleled comfort. Easy to install and ready to use in minutes. Our cooling gel-infused memory foam pulls heat away from your body, maximizing rest and recovery. Finally, find relief from common back pain and body aches with consistent, targeted support, while the unique viscoelastic construction contours to your body shape and sleeping style. But it's not just what's on the inside that counts. That's why we've engineered a premium textile stretch knit cover that allows air to freely flow in and out of the mattress, maximizing cooling. Thoughtfully crafted from the top down, do your body and your days a favor by investing in a better night's sleep.